Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Different collection of hairstyle, fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. And different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And different ideas of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.